So I have installed this. It's an aluminum piece to replace this plastic piece. There's nothing wrong with this one, but while I had it out, while I had all the carbon fiber off and replacing all the carbon fiber, I thought I would replace this because it's, and what I've also added is this a manual piece. I used a zip tie. This is so that if you get into the situation where you cannot get power to the car, you can still put it in neutral. You'd have to lift the shifter piece up, cover up here, and then you could just pull this. I tried to drill a hole dedicated for this, but this metal is so hard. So I found a little gap here that I can feed this through. And then when I need to, I can just pull it. I can just pull this, and then it will come up. This piece will come up when I pull on this. Well, it's not easy to do with one hand, but you can see how it works. Yeah. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that and put it back together.